Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Payl8r application on your device. So let's get started right away. Now, since there is no official application for the app, you will need to install the web browser version. So open up your web browser first and then in the address bar type in payl8r.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Payl8r website. Now from this page, you can proceed with logging into your account if you wish to do so by clicking on the login portal and then using your credentials. However, you can also install the application without logging in. Just click on the three dots at the top right corner of your web browser and then hover over to apps and click on install this site as an app. If you are using Chrome or other browser, then from the three dots menu, you will need to hover over to save and share and then click on create shortcut. Then you can simply name the application whatever you wish and also edit the app icon if you wish to do so. Just click on the install button after making your changes and now this will open up the Payl8r within its own application window. Just check on create desktop shortcut and click on the allow button and also click yes from the notification bar. Once you do these, the Payl8r application shortcut will be created on your desktop as well as your taskbar, and you can simply open these and directly start using Payl8r as an application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Payl8r application on your system. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.